I just feel sorry for it. That's not supposed to be like that. I think this car might have been a biohazard this whole time. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna start off this video with a quick little message. And whoever worked on the car, I should say previously, I hate you. I'm just gonna say it. I hate you. This is by far some of the worst work I have done on a car. If this was Janspeed that did all of this work, honestly, you guys, this is really bad. Quickly, let's recap on a few things that I needed to discuss. One, yes, the S2000 is gone. It's been sold. Basically, I got projects to finish off. So the Skyline is obviously a main project of mine, as well as the 30. So these are kind of things that I want to really progress with now. I just want to get these cars to a point where I'm really happy with them. Yeah, with the 32, the one thing that I've had a big issue with, if you guys have seen previous videos of me with this car, is the seats. I hate them. They don't go forward enough on the driver's seat. There's not really much adjustability or anything like that. And yeah, they've just not been that great to have. Basically, I got these are off from a Stega or a Stagia, or however you want to pronounce it. I got them for like 20 quid, both front seats. It's a cheap fix until I get some proper nice seats. I might go for 32 original GTR seats. I basically wanted to get these to make sure that Janspeed haven't messed everything up, if it was them or whoever it was. That's the current interior of my 32. One, you'll notice there's a big chunk of carpet missing. That's not supposed to be like that. Two, there's a big chunk of metal missing here. That's not supposed to really be like that. They've added holes in random places. You know what, honestly, when I look at the car like this now, I just feel sorry for it. It's not right that the car's had an owner like this in the past. They've just done shoddy work like this. I guess 32 GTRs back in the days weren't as heroic and legendary as they are now. That's just lazy work, to be honest. So what I'm basically going to be doing is, one, I need to put the bolts and screws back into the old holes that they've made, because I don't want just water gushing into the car or anything like that. And then two, making sure that everything else is going to fit in. New seat needs to go in. I need to also sort out that carpet. If anyone does know of any decent priced parts like the carpet for 32 GTR or anything like that, please let me know. Hit me up on Instagram or leave a comment for me down below, because yeah, this is horrible, but I will get this car perfect. I know I'm not going to sort out the metal work and everything right now. I'm just going to make sure I can drive the car without breaking my back. There we go. Bolts are all in. That's basically what I worry about there. Up next, put the seat in, I guess. Oh, actually, I might hoover the back seats. That might be a good idea. I think this car might have been a biohazard this whole time. That's disgusting. I want to go wash my hands. Since I started hoovering it, it started to come out green, so it's a bit concerning. I don't want it to be mold, basically. But from what I can tell, that is pretty much just a caked on level of dirt. If it was mold, all of this and the carpets and stuff, that would have all been moldy as well. But it's not, so I got a strong feeling that that's just dust. That's just accumulated there over time, which is absolutely disgusting. I'm still gonna kind of get a mask on and stuff and clean that as best as I can. You know what? I'm just gonna leave this in the corner. I need to basically, oh, okay, I'm gonna come clean. I messed it up, messed that pit up, and yeah, I kind of just thought, sod it. It's gonna be better off if I just retrim all of that carpet, so I'm not gonna waste time on that today. I'm just gonna get the rest of the interior kind of sorted. So the bolt that goes through there is I don't think it's the original bolt. So if it's not the original bolt, then it would just come out with this. Nope, it's not coming out with that. I'm gonna have to ruin something right now, and yeah, right now I can put the seat in. I'll figure that nut out later. Right, I'm gonna end up chopping my head off. That's one bolt. Come here, bolt.
One eternity later.
No way. Okay, I think I might need some washers going on here, but it looks like everything's lined up. Woo! Yo! Oh, yes! Wait a minute. Oh my gosh. I am so happy right now. It worked! Time to save up for some R32 GTR seats, but actually this isn't too bad. Good news. It's got all the stuff all over, but got the seat finally in and it's all secured up. Got the harnesses on. It was a bit of a pain, but nothing you can't accomplish without just a lot of perseverance, really. But yeah, I had to kind of take the seat off again to put the harness on. Be that as it may, I think it might be time for me to take my lovely pink cushion out. Yes, everyone, I was driving the 32 around with that. Luckily, I haven't done that many miles in the car and I haven't done that many stops. Yeah, it's not been the coolest thing to drive around with, but yeah, time to take these seats out and get the other one in. I don't know if you all remember the first video that I did whilst I'm driving the 32 for the first time. I basically couldn't sit on that, couldn't sit with the car properly. Just a recap on these seats. Well, they are the Cobra seats. They've probably been here for the last 20 years. They've got all kinds of dye related issues. Let's jump in. So you do sit super low in these, and it makes sense why, because they obviously done some dodgy work. But right, so I have roughly an inch to 2 inch worth of travel in this. Let's see if I can recline this all the way back. Yeah, so apparently this is as far back as it goes. I basically, yeah, it's horrible. I'm too short for this. I'd basically be driving the car on the tiptoes, but yeah, that's not comfortable. So I think right now, next thing to do is it's daunting because it was so much work to take off. Crap, I'm dropping my phone. It's alright, survived. But yeah, it's so much work to take these off, but you guys are along for the ride with me. Let's go. Just remembering just how long this was last time, and how did I do this last time? I think I remember what I did. Man, I think that's as far back as it's gonna go. I can kind of see the Allen key part, so that was it. I had to use an Allen key like this the entire time to get this thing out. Literally have to move the cushion out of the way. I don't think, because of the height of everything, I won't be able to get a ratchet on, but I'm gonna try actually. Let's try this. Nope. I think this might work. Okay, this is kind of, can only get so much out of that one. Man, it's kind of stuff you end up having to do to get it off. It's just extremely slow of a process. So like every so often I'll be able to get the Allen key on, but then all of a sudden it'll be like, nope, not today. But right now it's actually working kind of okay. And let me see actually. Ooh, can I get it in like this? Oh yes, actually this might. Is that working better? Oh yes, you cheeky gun. Thank God. Oh my God, hate this. It's like, now I gotta unbolt these, which is fine in some ways, but I can't move the seat forward to get to the other one anymore. This is the kind of struggles that you end up having to go through. Snap. Right, I think I'm gonna kill everyone. Whatever happens, happens right now with these.
While Patchy pulls himself together.
I'm actually so confused as to how I managed to do this before, and why did I decide to put it all back together. Should have taken this all off. Never ever put it back on. Is it off? Is it off? Yes, I think it's off. Oh my God. Yes. You annoying people. It's just I hate the people who worked on it before me. I'm gonna take this harness out this way. The amount of trauma these seats have caused me. Jeez. Pretty sure that's where the nut goes for the seat. Idiots. Absolute idiots. So I need to take this off. But I'm pretty sure I need something on at the bottom. I have no idea what size that is. Let's see if I can do it now. I managed to get a wrench on it, but that didn't work, so damn you. Ah, you son of a gun. Round number 6 million. I think I need someone else to come and help me. Okay, right, so let me show you what you need to do, okay? So what you need to do is from here, you need to put this thing onto that bolt and then just squeeze it. Okay, now stick your thing on.
Yeah.
And squeeze it.
Oh, fucker.
Has it done it?
Has it done what?
Has it taken the bolt out completely?
Oh no.
Hold on to it.
Wait, you're sitting in such a funny space. I haven't got any space to go in.
Okay, well don't why are you going on my leg for? Ah!
Shush you.
Is it on? Oh, stop. Okay, hold it there.
It was on there, Liz.
Okay, hold it there. Just gently. Like here, okay? Look, see how little the pressure on? That's all I want.
Oh.
Okay, wait. A little bit of pressure, okay? Go. Okay, wait. Harder. Okay, there we go. You've done it! You've done it! Yeah! What the hell are you doing? This is not a foot massage, it's a GTR. So I am going to learn how to weld on this car because that definitely needs sorting at some point. Look at the holes that they just create on these cars. And that hole there, it's not supposed to be a hole, it's supposed to be a bolt. But now I got to get the other ones. But I can say this is good news because that basically means the old seats are gone. So I don't have a paintbrush on me at the moment, but I'm just applying this rust converter on here at the moment. It's better than applying nothing. It's quite late right now, so I can't really exactly go to the shops and just get something. This holy situation. My arm is dead. What the? Okay. I don't want to damage you. Okay, I'm angry. I'll say it again.
Yes, they deserve to die, and I hope they burn in hell.
Absolute idiots. So I've just put this all in and I've realized that they've chopped off that entire mounting point and they've just put in a flat piece of metal there. So now that means I might as well get that new entire section and get that put on. I'm gonna have to put the other 3 bolts on, and that part's just basically gonna have to be loose at the moment, which is shocking. Actually, I'm trying to find out who did this. I'm just gonna show you guys what they've done. So you see over here, see that? You see how it's just floating there? Yeah, you see how there's just a right angle piece of metal there. Now it's not exactly in the perfect place, but it's close enough to where it should be. I'm trying to work on this alone for a bit, put the other bolts on. I'm just gonna take a minute. Hey everyone, just want to say thank you for watching up until this point. I basically didn't record an outro to this video because I was so upset that my beautiful R32 GTR has been treated so poorly in the past. But if you want to see the video as to why this car means so much to me, then click here. Or if you want to see another video that YouTube recommends for you, then click here. But please like, subscribe and comment, and yeah, see you then. Bye.